Welcome to Cityanimal, explorers of the extraordinary. Today, we delve into a mystery that challenges everything we thought we knew about animal intelligence. Imagine a creature capable of solving complex problems, recognizing human emotions, and even mastering multiple languages. Yet we're not talking about primates or dolphins, but parrots, those fascinating birds whose brilliant minds hold secrets that will leave you breathless. Did you know that some parrots don't just mimic words, but use them with intent? Or that they can solve puzzles that would stump a small child? Get ready to discover how these birds display intelligence comparable to great apes, with surprising social skills and learning abilities that revolutionize what we understand as the animal mind. If what you just heard is already making you question everything you knew about the animal kingdom, you're not alone. That's why I'm asking you to smash that like button right now if you find this topic as fascinating as we do. Every like helps Cityanimal continue uncovering nature's most astonishing secrets. And if you're new here, subscribe immediately, because this channel isn't just about fun facts. It's about scientific expeditions into the brightest minds of the animal planet. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next documentaries, where we'll keep blurring the lines between human and wild. Parrot intelligence is just the beginning. Are you ready for the journey? Drop a comment below telling us which fact blew your mind the most, and share this video with anyone who needs to rethink their place in the world. Because at Cityanimal, we don't just showcase nature, we decode it. Get ready for the next revelation. One of the key traits driving a species' survival is its problem-solving ability, which relies on intelligence. The challenge with this concept is how difficult it is to define or establish precise measurement parameters, forcing us to rely on comparisons, whether against humans or other species. We evaluate various aspects like logic, comprehension, self-awareness, learning, planning, creativity, and problem-solving. Yet these criteria remain subjective, meaning animal intelligence measurements may not capture their full scope. Among the most intellectually gifted species are citizines, parrots, though this varies by type and can't be generalized. Many can learn and repeat words in different languages, a feat in itself, but they also recognize and strategically use them for benefits, especially as pets. For example, they employ vocabulary to demand attention, request food, or even hurl insults, with swear words often being their first learned phrases. Species like the African gray parrot stand out for their advanced learning range, though it's worth noting they may not truly grasp word meanings, instead mimicking for rewards or bonding with owners. Their problem-solving abilities have been extensively studied, including recognizing shapes and colors, using tools like sticks to retrieve food, and even unlocking their own cages to explore. Some even create brushstrokes with paint, though this may be more reward-driven behavior than genuine creativity. Their reasoning shines in experiments where they must locate hidden objects among multiple containers. Through trial and error, they develop efficient methods, like shaking containers to pinpoint what they're seeking. This intelligence isn't limited to human interaction. In the wild, parrots rely on cognitive skills to survive, identifying predators, devising escape plans, and even detoxifying poisonous fruits, as macaws do by eating clay. Their social structure is remarkably complex, with flock hierarchies where dominant birds claim the highest perches, over 15 feet tall, leaving subordinates on lower, more vulnerable branches, around 6 to 8 feet high. Birds like kias have learned to associate vehicles with food, tearing apart cars to access snacks, an adaptation possibly linked to their proportionally large brains, weighing 0.5 ounces in a 2.2 lb body, comparable to primates. The African gray parrot reigns as the most intelligent, with cognition rivaling a 4-year-old child or great apes like chimpanzees, securing its place among Earth's smartest creatures. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like and share to support the channel. New here? Subscribe and drop your questions below. We read every comment. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for our next wildlife deep dive. See you soon.